My teacher, Mr. Hamilton, sent me this code. Now what do I do with it? So in your internet browser write, office.com. Now click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password as required. If asked, always choose the words, work or school account. You will find all your apps, on the left-hand side. Choose Teams. Now click on the Join or Create Team button. Now paste the code Mr. Hamilton sent you here. Then click on Join Team. Congratulations, you are now have the great honor of being a member of Mr. Hamilton's famous class. I know, you will be happy.